Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to safely transfer your Microsoft Authenticator app to a new phone without losing any of your accounts. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi or internet. After connecting your device to the internet, simply open your Microsoft Authenticator app on your old phone. After opening it, please make sure to confirm your identity. After opening it, tap the three-dot menu in the top right and go to the settings. You can see here the top three button and simply click on settings. After clicking on settings, make sure cloud backup iOS or backup Android is turned on. This save your account securely to your Microsoft account. Simply turn it on. After backing up, sign in with the same Microsoft account you used for backup. Simply sign in here your account. When prompted, tap begin recovery to restore all your account from the cloud backup. Once restore is done, verify a couple of your account to make sure everything is working properly. If you have accounts that don't support cloud backup, you need to manually re-add them by scanning QR codes or using backup codes from here, or you can simply enter your code manually. And that's how you transfer Microsoft Authenticator to your new phone. If this helps, hit like and keep your account secure. See you in the next